The initiative in the U.S. to help schools be future ready is really a perfect fit for Clevertouch because some of the goals there are some of the same goals that we have for our own product and own company. For example, when you look at teacher professional development and ensuring that they are ready to go in the classroom, those are some of the same concerns that we have that we've built into our software. So for instance, teachers may want to look at new ways of doing things. We've developed a Clever Store with a lot of free applications. Another example of that would be the initiative calls for creating sustainable budgets that schools can ensure that technology is not only implemented but used for many years moving forward. And we really feel that that's a good fit for us because we build in all of the costs that you would have moving forward to the initial panel price. So when you roll out our products in a school, your entire total cost of ownership is based around that panel. Free software upgrades for the life of the panel, free professional development, extended warranties. Those are all things that ensure that once this is put in a school, it will be there and up and running for years. One of the most important things with a future-ready school is ensuring that collaboration is fostered. And we've been able to do that in a number of different ways. Our Clever Share application allows you to connect up to 50 devices to the panel and to share up to 4 of those devices at any one time. So that's something where students can work in groups and share their results one at a time. The other thing that we've been quite successful with is developing a split screen technology. With 20 points of touch, I can be having a video running and a student on the side taking notes on that video at the same time. When you look at a future-ready school environment, the real 3 keys are the teacher, the administration, and the students. And from a student perspective, you really want to be fostering collaboration. So when you look at our device, it really is, it's sitting at the front of the room, but it's not the focal point of the room. The technology you purchase is really critical for long-term success. And we've done that in a couple of different ways. Probably the 2 most important examples would be our mobile device management software. It's free with the panel. It allows an administrator to basically control these panels in a number of different ways. They can be shut off remotely. They can be remote into them for troubleshooting. You can actually track application usage, so you can see which teachers may need more help with professional development. So it really gives them a great feel for how the product's being used and to use it efficiently.